Hey friends, so I'm very happy to share with you this secret but very trusted website that are going to pay you up to $1,600 on a monthly basis. And the really good thing about this is that I'm just going to show you payment proof so you can see how much can you really make on this platform, because a lot of people are making decent amount of money just by translating from this language to another language. And the good thing about this is that everyone can do this. It doesn't matter if you know more than 2 languages or you only know only 1 language, but you can still make money on this platform that I'm just going to show you in this video. So all you need to do right now is for you to listen to the end of this video, and you can see how are you going to start this and how much can you really make from this website. So let's dive in and see all this website and how this website works. So let's dive in. Our very first website is called PeoplePerHour, and right now I'm just going to show you how are you going to get paid on the platform. You will have to go to this website, which is called PeoplePerHour.com, and on the top of this website you have to click this place which is written as writing and translation. Then you have to come down here and you have to click translation. As you can see here, you can translate as many languages as you can: Italian, French, Chinese, and too many languages. And I'm just going to show you this example. If you're just going to translate English language to French language, you can get paid $35 per 500 words. If you're just going to translate more than 500 words, you can charge $35 per those words. So the good thing about this is that you can do this with the help of ChatGPT or AI, and you can translate and get paid a reasonable amount of money. And as you can see down here, people are making decent amount of money on the platform. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this person called Malia. She's charging $32. She has worked with more than 80,000 people, so that means she has made more than $200,000 on the platform. So imagine you can also make this kind of money if you're just ready to become translator on this website, which is called PeoplePerHour. So let's go to the next website. Alright, so this next website is called Unbabel, and this website is going to pay you $8 to $18 per 1 hour just by translating from this language to another language. And the really good thing about this website is that it's never going to cut your earning from the platform. So you can cash out once you reach $100 from the website, and you can see there are a lot of people who are making decent amount of money. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to Unbabel and you have to join on this platform, and you can explain how many language you are willing to translate on the platform. This platform is going to contact you every time that they have task for you to translate any language on your pair. So you have to go forward and join on this platform. They're just going to contact you and they can give you task to translate different projects, and after that you can get paid up to $18 per 1 hour. So you really have to go forward and join on this platform and see how much you're really gonna make on the platform. So this one is the most trusted, and I really think you can make a reasonable amount on the platform. It just depends on how many hours you are ready to work on this platform. This next website is called translate.com, and on this website is going to pay you just by translating from this language to another language. But before you join on this platform, they're just going to give assessment to make sure that you really know these languages that you said you know. Right after passing this assessment, you're just going to receive different projects to translate. You can translate different things like social media posts and blog articles and all this stuff, and you can get paid $25 up to $50 just by translating from this website. And this is among the most trusted websites. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to translate.com and you can apply and start making money just after being accepted on the platform. So you have to go forward and become a translator on this platform. A lot of people are making reasonable amount of money on the platform, so you have to go forward and try this out. So next on the list we have TextMaster, and once you join on this platform, you'll be needed to translate any language that you think you're good at. And right after completing translating from this language to another language on this platform, you can request your payment and you can get paid up to $5,000, because I've seen a lot of people making up to $3,000. So the amount of money that you're just going to make on the platform, it depends on how many projects you have already translated to, and just by doing that you can make a reasonable amount of money. So you really have to make sure that you perform as many projects as you can for you to make a reasonable amount of money on the platform. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to TextMaster.com, and this platform is going to pay you just by translating from this language to another language. And this is a really trusted platform, and I really hope that you're just going to try this and see how much you're really going to make on the platform. So I think most of you know about this coming website, but right now let me show you. This person called Jack Y has made over $300,000 on the platform just by translating from Chinese to English language. And here we have Polo A. He has made more than $7,000 just by translating from this language to another language. So you can see this platform, which is called Upwork, you can make a lot of money just by translating. So if you didn't believe that you can make a reasonable amount of money just by translating, this website is a proof that you can actually make reasonable and a decent amount of money just by translating on this platform. So you really have to go to Upwork, you have to create your account, and you have to explain that how many languages that you know and how many languages you are willing to translate and help people to translate their projects, and you get paid just by doing that. So you really have to go to Upwork and join on the platform and start making money. This is a very trusted platform. So this is our last website, which is called Fiverr. And before go forward and join on this website, you really need to know how much can you actually make on the platform. On this platform, you can charge $5 up to $100 just by translating one project on the platform. The very good thing about this website is that you can find too many clients on this platform, so you really have to go forward and join on this platform for you to get clients and start making money just by translating the work, and you get paid just by doing that. So this one is very trusted, and a lot of people making reasonable amount of money on this platform. Hey, so I know you were watching this video, but you were wondering how can you really start making money but you don't even know 2 languages, and this is the best way for you to start making money. Even if you know only 1 language, this platform that I'm going to show you right now is going to help you to translate in a very short time to any language that you want. This platform is called Wordvice.ai. This is a artificial intelligence website that is going to help you to translate it to different languages that you want. Right now you have to go to this website and you can try to translate any language that you think you want to translate, and you can see all the results in a very short time. So this is a most trusted website and is really going to help you to translate different projects, different articles on this platform. So I think the most common translated languages are Spanish, English language, and French and Chinese. So you need to know at least those languages for you to start making money on this platform. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I think this video is really going to help you in one way or another. Thanks so much, and I wish you all the best for you to start making money just by becoming a translator. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.